Hey folks, Tom here from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. Ever been stuck waiting for car parts to arrive? Delays in getting parts can drag out repairs, but at Arts, we make sure your repair stays on schedule with quick parts sourcing. Take Marcus, a delivery driver who visited us a few weeks ago. His 2013 Ford Fusion had a scratched rear door from a tight parking spot. Marcus needed his car for work and was anxious about parts taking weeks to arrive. We used our extensive supplier connections to get the right parts fast, and our team fixed his Fusion with a perfect finish in just a few days. Marcus told us, "Arts got the parts so quickly, I was back on the road in no time." We keep repairs moving by partnering with reliable suppliers and planning ahead to avoid delays. Whether it's a small scratch or major bodywork, our Pomona shop ensures your car is ready when you need it. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're here to eliminate parts delays and deliver quality repairs. Don't wait weeks for your fix. Come see us for a free quote today. As Art likes to say, quality isn't expensive, it's priceless. And at Arts, you'll find it's never expensive, but always priceless. Want repairs without the wait? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or check out artsautobodyandpaint.com for your free estimate. We'll get your parts fast.